Welcome to Dirt Road Grill and Barbecue. Just good fire, good smoke, and food done true. I'm Tim Dirt Road Demon, if you know the name. With my brother Jason, we run this flame. We keep it simple, take it slow. Let the smoke and the flavor do the show. So grab you a seat, grab you a plate. Kick back a while, y'all gonna eat great. Ain't nothing fancy, just the way we were raised. Cast iron, open flame, and we smoke for days. You'll see us try and mess it up, then get it right. Learning as we go, just chasing that perfect bite. From slow smoked meats to a skillet on the stove. If it's worth cooking, we're giving it a go. Some of it's simple, some of it takes time, but good food's worth it every single time. So whether you're cooking or just along for the ride, there's always room for you right here by our side.
Hey guys, what we're gonna do here is I got 2 chuck roasts here, and I'm gonna take both of these and we're going to basically turn these into a pulled chuck roast. Okay, these are gonna be tender enough where you can just crumble them up and just almost like pulled pork. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sliders out of these guys. I got the whole accoutrement here. This is everything we're gonna be using. We're going to season with this, kosher salt, of course, all the good things. Going to use lime as a tenderizer. This is going to be our tenderizer for this. And we're going to get all this done, get it together, and we'll get it out on the smoker. And we're going to let these babies smoke for about 3 hours in the open smoke. And then we're going to foil them up in our pan and just let them roast inside the pan. All right, guys. We're going to put... Take your limes, just get you some juice on there. And this is not going to affect how your cook tastes or anything like that. What this is going to do is just going to help break, the acids in this is going to help break down the connective tissues that you have in this meat. Just help make it nice and tender. We're going to flip these babies over. Some more on the other side. Oops. Alright. Guys, now we're going to get to our seasonings. You want to start first with your kosher salt. This is going to help draw moisture out and pull seasoning in all at the same time. There we go. Now we're going to our wood fire garlic on here. Our whole cow. Alright, ladies and germs, we're back. We got Got our meat here. Let's sweat it in real good. Now we're gonna go with some barbecue sauce. Just get that down in your pan. There you go. Now we're gonna use cherry Dr. Pepper. You can use whatever soda you want, root beer, whatever, don't matter. Whatever you want for flavor. Get both these pans about halfway full. Just like that. Alright, now we're going to take them out to the smoker, get them out there with the heat. 275 degrees, we're going to let them roll for about 3 hours in open smoke. And then after that, we're going to cover them up and leave them out there and probably bump the heat up a little bit and just let them keep roasting off. Alright guys, these have been on for 3 hours. I mean, just get a look at this color, how everything looks in here. You can see how it's kind of reduced. We're going to get these things wrapped up. Sorry for the wind. We're currently right now under a level 3 storm risk. It's Texas, baby. That's just how we do it in Texas. The queue never stops. We're going to take our foil. Get these babies wrapped up like that. 1. 2. Alright. Now we're going to put these babies back in the smoke. Just going to put them in here and let them roast. I've bumped up the temperature on the Rectech here to 350. Now I'm going to take my probe. I'm going to stick it right back into my meat here. Just like that. Go. Now we're going to let them stay in here until our probe temperature comes up to 200 to 205. Then we'll pull them off, shred them up. Alright guys, here we are. 207, 208. That's perfect. Pull these babies off. Got the smoker shut down. Come around with this, guys. Hey, look. Come on, honey. Cooking no matter what. No matter what. Look at that, guys. Alright.
That smells so good.
Put these babies inside. See how they shred. There you go, guys. Look at that. Look how all that juice. These are going to go on some sliders. We'll show you guys that, how it's going to come together. We're going to do jalapeno pimento cheese with these on some sliders and just some simple French fries, man. Like, you don't have to buy a $100 brisket just to get something that's going to taste the same, if not better, and give yourself and your family a great meal. Like, this is simple, easy. Look at that, guys. Just shreds apart. It's going to be a great meal. We'll be back with how it comes together, guys. Alright, guys, we're back. Had to do a wardrobe change. Don't know why. Anyway.
America, fuck yeah! Coming together to save the motherfucking day, yeah, America, fuck yeah!
We're gonna put our sliders together here with the pulled chuck roast that we made. We got it here in the pot there. Now we're gonna do pimento cheese with jalapenos. Then we're gonna add our beef. Where's the beef? Just want to get you a good layer on here. What are you two doing?
Bottom bun.
Bottom bun. Bottom.
Other one's the top one.
Right. Didn't know what kind of relationship they had going on. Didn't know if they were two bottoms or a top and a bottom. Hello, come in, come on. Get this yummy goodness. We're gonna throw it on there like that. You know, you don't have to do pimento cheese. You can do coleslaw. You can just do the beef. I mean, just this is how we want to do it. Lay it in there just like that. There it goes. Now we're gonna lay us another row in here. Build it just the same, and then we're gonna get them slapped in the oven. And you guys stick around for what they look like coming out of that oven. Come on. Alright, guys, here we have it. We got our pulled chuck roast sliders here, and with it tonight we're having some cheddar bacon French fries. There you have it, guys. I mean, just yummy goodness, man. And I mean, you can throw in onion, I mean, whatever you want on them, man. But just quick, simple, easy, super simple to do them on the smoker. You know, to cook the actual chuck roast and everything. Simple stuff, man. Just put it together.
Memphis, just in time. Come taste.
Which one?
Grab you a bite.
Grab you a bite, son.
Tell us what you think.
That's stupid.
You good, guys?
That's good.
Alright. 15, by the way.
Those are stupid good.
15.
15 years old, 6'4".
Athlete.
Ah, that was stupid.